Hello everybody, this is the Alarm Boy and I'm going to be doing a video for Harry Burrows showing our vacuum cleaner. So here it is, and I'm going to be sucking up some rubbish on the floor here from the birds. So there you go, it's only 1 week old and it's broken already. But you can see that split. That's normal because everything here gets broken. I'll quickly show you inside, so hang on. Right now the top's off, and that's inside of it. There's just a bag, and there's some lavender down there so it doesn't smell too bad. We were meant to get a Harry cleaner, which is the one designed for pets, but got the Henry because it was, I don't know, it's just what was cheaper, I think. So there's the back. Inside. I'll now turn it on, so high and low, but I'm using it in high. So I'll turn it on and clean up. So when it's time to let the wall on. Here's the plug. I'll plug it in. Okay, so I'll turn it on now. So there you go, it's a very quiet vacuum cleaner. You can hear it, and there's just a floor attachment there. There's the bottom. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.